Alright, welcome back. Good news is we have some new wheels on the BMW. What the fuck? Alright, whatever. But anyways, BMW is done being under construction. She was over there minding her own business, and things happened. Also, CRV is now gone. We sold it. Maybe we'll get another one, maybe not, I don't know. But BMW got a new engine. It has the old one, so went and bought a new engine. Yeah, everything went good though, and then we finally put some wheels on it. What do you guys think? I know I'm kind of like everywhere, but it's because kind of trying to catch up. But anyways, BMW is complete. We put a new engine in the car, brand new clutch, and brand new turbos. Of course, y'all seen the turbos. Yeah, still 19T BMW. Should make over 500 now. We are not going to the dyno, just to know that, because I mean, I was pretty much getting limited on power because the exhaust, and the whole time we was running low compression. So my car made 486 with a low compression engine. I mean, we turned it up just a couple PSI. I mean, we all know what it makes in the mid fives, whatever. But runs great now. But unfortunately, we always run into a problem. So today, AC compressor took a shit. But yeah, we still went with the pretty much same setup, which is 19Ts, relocation kit, what's it called, Vargas, breather cap, whatever, my jig. We got a VRSF intercooler, HKS blow-off valve. We did have to upgrade coils, so we can get this off, or at least show you guys. See, yeah, we did have to upgrade coils, and I bought one injector. We are running the best injectors you can possibly run on this car, other than going like port injection type shit. But yeah, the car is pretty much a full bow-tone car now. Catch can, full exhaust. Went with VRSF with the resonator in the middle, so it's not like real raspy. Sounds perfect. If you ever hear a BMW that sounds raspy, you know what I mean. But yeah, this is pretty much like what everybody would want in the right BMW world. I mean, it's 6-speed, 19Ts, makes good power, good wheels, good exhaust. But yeah, I'm gonna just chill out for now though. No more fast boy mods. 500s is enough. I mean, if you need more than that, I mean, shit, you going through that withdrawals of more power. But nah, I'm not. I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, leave the car how it is for now. But yeah, kind of want to start getting more into drifting. You know what I'm saying? Tired of yeah, I know what I'm talking about. I ain't finna, you know what I'm saying, I ain't finna out myself. But yeah, BMW is finally done. You know what I'm saying, you still got to go through little issues. Like I said, AC compressor took a shit, as you can kind of see. Belts giving out. This fucking coolant pipe down here has been just rubbing on that belt. Not like a lot, just barely touching it. So I'm gonna have to take care of that when I do that. Yeah. But yeah, everything's been good on it. Other than that, today, just put these wheels on, brand new tires, and that happened. So it's great though. But I am going to give you guys a sound glow, because you guys haven't even heard the BMW with the new exhaust. Oh man, it's hot. And we got rid of a few lights on the dash. Yes sir. No more ABS lights going crazy. We just got that freaking passenger seat shit. If anybody knows how to get rid of that, let me know. But other than that, we would just be replacing that passenger seat. It's got like a occupant sensor shit that's fucked up. But yeah. And this isn't a cold start. I was driving the car earlier. So. Runs great. Like I said, it makes great power. We're about 20 something PSI we're running. I can't remember. I think it was 22 or 23. So we're making great power. Car's pretty consistent, not on a day like this, but pretty consistent. We're running a 5.5 intercooler, so it's decent. But you know what I'm saying, my boy got a 7.5, and you know what I'm saying, he can do back-to-back pulls, third gears. You know what I'm saying. Right now I'm gonna bust your ass on the first one, but you might get me on the second or third one. So but yeah, car heat soaks when it's really hot. But yeah, BMW is finally done. Just wanted to give you guys kind of a little update on what's been going on. G35 still has the ISR exhaust that we just put. Pretty much gonna start going full drift car, because I had to spend a lot of money on that car. That's the only reason this one was on pause. Sold the CRV, I fixed the CRV, so I don't need another car unless I just find a good deal on one. Then I'll go buy one. But till then, still need my mama Lona fix. 200 fucking miles, dude. 200 miles with this fucking transmission, dude. I want to out this motherfucker so bad. I really do, and I've been wanting to out this motherfucker. Fuck his shop, whoever the fuck his name is. I might even fucking put a picture of it. If not, you know what I'm saying, I ain't trying to blast somebody, but damn, that motherfucker sucks. Two transmissions. First one he gave me, the second gear was slip, and fourth gear, when you get like to, you know, on the highway, you just hit the gas a little bit and it fucking starts shooting up. And I was like, man, what the fuck? Like, this is, I'm paying you for a new transmission, like, what the fuck? So he's like, man, don't worry about it, drop it off and we'll fix it. I picked it up and it was slipping a second again. I was like, bruh. He's like, yeah, just put some Lucas. I was like, I ain't never put no fucking Lucas in a brand new transmission. You don't do that type of shit. You gotta fucking, oh, the brand new tire. Yeah. But yeah, you don't put that shit in a brand new transmission. So yeah, I was just like, man, I don't even know if I want to keep fucking with this dude over this damn transmission in this truck. Two transmissions, 200 miles. Fucking transmission. You can't find a good painter, good transmission dude. Can't even find a good mechanic. That's why I work on my own shit. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update. So I'm pretty much gonna start working on the G, getting that thing drift ready. Next thing that we got planned for that is probably like a hydro, so we can rip it. I don't even know if I left this door unlocked. I did. That's a no-no from now on. But I did just take the tires out of here, so that's my excuse. I'm sticking to it. So my cameras caught somebody actually in this car, like a couple days ago. I'm not gonna tell the full story because I ain't trying to put my business out there, but just know them motherfuckers almost got, you know what I'm saying, in 4K. So, but yeah, BMW is now done. We're not fucking with this car no more. I am gonna replace that AC compressor because fuck that shit, it's too hot. Also do got another surprise for the BMW. I bought it, so I'm gonna put it on, but you guys will see later. So, damn, that's hot. It's hot as fuck. You guys will see that later. I also got some spark plugs to put in here. I haven't did it yet, but it is what it is. I'll put them in whenever I actually really need it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But I did just want to give you guys an update. That's literally it. I've been off of YouTube for, oh god, it's been months, but it is what it is. You know, I ain't no full-time YouTuber yet, so it is what it is. You guys got any cheap flips? Shit, send them my way. Because, you know what I'm saying, I'm always down to buy a car if it's the right price, but let me know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Just, you know what I'm saying, keep supporting your boy. Keep supporting your boy, you know what I'm saying. Like, comment, subscribe, whatever, you know what I'm saying. It's up to y'all, but support your boy, because y'all know I don't just, you know, make weak ass cars, you know what I'm saying. I got a full drift car right here, you know, 500 wheel BMW, you know, Batic Q50, and a truck that can't stay running from now on. But yeah, sure, we could buy something V8, you know what I'm saying, because I've been looking for a V8 for a while. But yeah, keep on watching. Thank you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one.